Have you ever wondered why owls are considered the silent hunters of the night? Their hunting prowess is truly remarkable. The secret lies in their unique feather structure, specifically designed for silent flight. Unlike other birds, the edges of their feathers are fringed and soft, reducing the noise as they cut through the air. And it's not just about quiet flight. These nocturnal ninjas have an uncanny ability to capture their prey with precision. Their sharp talons, like nature's own pair of deadly scissors, are ready to snatch up unsuspecting victims. Add to that a razor-sharp beak, perfect for delivering the coup de grace. Whether it's a mouse scurrying in the undergrowth or a fish swimming in the shimmering moonlit water, nothing escapes the owl's deadly grasp. In the grand scheme of evolution, every creature has its unique set of tools. For owls, it's their silent flight and precise hunting skills. Indeed, the owl's hunting skills are a testament to its evolutionary perfection. But what makes owls true masters of the night? Well, let's delve into the nocturnal adaptations that make these birds a marvel of nature. Owls possess an extraordinary night vision that outperforms most other species. This keen eyesight, combined with their ability to rotate their heads a full 360 degrees, gives them a near unparalleled field of view. It's like they've got their own built-in radar system, constantly scanning the environment for potential prey. And speaking of prey, owls play a significant role as nature's pest controllers. They help keep the populations of rodents and insects in check. Imagine a world overrun by rats and insects. Not so pleasant, right? That's where our feathered friends step in, ensuring a balance in our ecosystems. So next time you hear the hoot of an owl, remember they're not just haunting sounds of the night. These nocturnal predators play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. And did you know that owls are also remarkable parents? They embody the very essence of nurturing, showing an unwavering commitment to the survival of their young. Both mother and father share in the task of child rearing, a beautiful testament to their dedication. The mother owl meticulously incubates the eggs, while the father hunts tirelessly to feed the fledglings. Their cooperative efforts ensure the survival of the next generation of these fascinating creatures. The dedication of owl parents is truly a sight to behold. In conclusion, owls are not just symbols of wisdom, but are remarkable creatures. Their silent flight and hunting prowess, coupled with unique adaptations for a nocturnal lifestyle, make them true masters of the night. They serve as vital pest controllers, curbing rodent and insect populations. Moreover, their nurturing parenting behaviors ensure survival of the next generation. Next time you hear the hoot of an owl, remember the incredible advantages these creatures of the night hold. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery, and don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the wonders of the animal kingdom.